excellent facilities. The infrastructure is also very good, and the space-wise also it's very good. The size of the stall and the allocation and the walking pavements and all is also very convenient.
It feels really comfortable and nice, well organized, clean. So perfect. I'm really happy about that experience.
I like how easy it is to navigate among the halls, how clearly the signages are put, how convenient it is for a visitor like us to go through all the booths, yet be comfortable and everything is mentioned.